So today I'm going to show you a way that you can split your screen. This is easy. It does not require any monitors or anything like that. It's just one screen that you can use. So first up, if you're in a Zoom meeting, you can open it up like this. Then drag it from the top and then pull it to the side, and you'll see the side area sort of shaded. Snap it like that, and then suddenly this half of the screen is filled by the Zoom meeting and nothing else. Then you can pull this onto this side, and now you have the split screen function ready to use. If you have a Google Meet or something like that, then all you have to do is go into your Google Meet. Let's see, yes. So once you join your Google Meet, you'll drag the Meet tab, hold top where it says Meet, drag it down, then it comes as a new window. The same thing you did with the Zoom one, and then drag it to the side, and then drag this one to the side. And there you go, you get split screen for anything. So you can split screen this with any apps, any features, any functions. You could open up Kahoot if you'd even like, because this works with everything. Split screen it, drag it to the side, this one too. So you get it like this too. So you could do it like that. That's the easiest way. This requires no monitors, nothing. It works on most computer softwares, Chromebooks, Windows, Mac. They all work like this. So if you want to drag one back up, then drag it to the top, it comes full screen. If you want to choose which side, just drag it to whichever side you want, and then drag the other one like that. So there you have it. So that way you can choose whichever side you want. And like I said, either you can pull it back up to make it full screen, or you can just hit the little square, maximize, to make it bigger. So you can do this with any apps, any features, any functions. They're all the same. No matter what you use, it's still going to show up like that. You can use any tabs, anything. It doesn't really matter, but you can use the split screen function for anything. So that's it, everybody. I hope you liked this video, and I hope you found this helpful. If this video is helpful, please be sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like. See you in the next video.